Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A56 and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll to find general management. Then let's tap on reset, and here we've got the option reset all settings, so let's tap. And here your device is informing you basically what it will not reset. So for example, language settings, accounts, personal data, etc. And except all of that, it will reset everything. So let's simply tap on reset settings. Your device will need to be restarted, so just tap on reset, and of course wait. After turning it on, turning on the device completely, you will see the changes. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.